Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? One day until Thanksgiving. I'm so excited. I love Thanksgiving. All right, let's go over what is going on. It's been a couple of days since I made a video, but everything is moving in the direction that I said it would. Dollar is down. Gold is rising, even though it took a little bit of a beating off of that Friday rally. Last Friday, we had a very strong rally, $17 rally. It reversed all of that on Monday, $20, and my MMT Trader subscribers were sent an email by me saying, buy that dip, okay? That's what you get in MMT Trader. I said, buy that dip, and now it is back up. I think last I looked, close to 1290 once again, and it is going to go higher, all right? It is a slow progressive move higher right now. These are the best kinds of moves because nobody believes in these moves. They look like they're never going to develop into anything. There's a lot of skepticism. This is the proverbial wall of worry that the markets climb, all right? When it looks like it's never going to be able to really mount any kind of an ascent, you know, and it just creeps and creeps, and then you get these hits, and then it looks like the bottom's going to fall out, and it turns back around. I love these. I love these, all right? These are classic. All right, so you have that going on. I just sent out to MMT Trader subscribers, as I always do on Wednesday, the summary and breakdown of the EIA Weekly Petroleum Status Report. All I can say is, wow, what a report. And again, I delve way into those reports. I'm not like these zombies who sit around and trade off of one statistic, which is crude inventories. Maybe some of the smarter zombies look at gasoline inventory. It's like so ridiculous. I take their money. We take their money so easily. That report, as I have said so many times, is so loaded with information, and you have to be able to synthesize all that information and decipher it and understand what is going on. Now, for those people who have MMT Trader, they know that I forecasted a drawdown in crude inventories this week, even though the market was looking for a build. All right, so I had that right. I get that right every single time because I know how to read these reports and I know how to synthesize this information. All right, so you have that going on. There were a number of stock recommendations that I sent out recently, which are doing very, very well. As a matter of fact, I sent out another stock recommendation today. If you want any of these emails and any of these reports or recommendations, just go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up for the 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. And while you're there, if you are a Forex trader, get a 30-day free trial of Zombie Trading. Zombie Trading is my daily Forex signal service. We front run the zombies and get out before they die. But just if I can go back to an earlier email that an earlier video that I made last week about the roadmap. I talked about I have a roadmap. Most of you out there do not. You're just throwing stuff up against the wall and seeing what's going to stick. You're looking at your charts with lines drawn here and there, thinking that that predicts the future. It doesn't. My roadmap gets us to where we want to go. Now, sometimes the road's a little bumpy because, it gets turned around and twisted and convoluted by actions of the zombie crowd. But we know that our roadmap is going to take us where we want to go. And by the way, what is that roadmap? That's MMT. MMT is the proper and concise understanding of not just the monetary system, but how policy affects the monetary system, all right? Very, very important because the vast majority of market participants, I could even say all of them because we are such a tiny minority that, infinitesimally small, that I could literally say all market participants do not understand the monetary system. So they trade on belief. They trade on myth. They trade on their own personal religion. That's what it is. We use science. We use science. It's completely different. Completely different. All right, so our roadmap gets us to where we want to go. And during those times when the road gets bumpy or it's got twists and turns, what I provide is help on the mental game. I have said so many times that this endeavor, this activity, trading, is 100% mental. I can make money throwing darts at a dartboard. You can't, I can't, because I have the mental game. And I teach the mental game. And all of my followers, one time or another, have sent me emails or called me up or written statements on my website saying, Mike, you have turned my life around. You have completely changed my situation thanks to your teachings of MMT and mental game. And remember, I am the only practitioner of applied MMT. There are a lot of MMT theorists out there, okay, who sit in the halls of academia and they expound upon economics and their understanding of MMT. I am the only applied practitioner. What that means is I take the knowledge, the understanding of MMT, and I use that to make money in the markets. Nobody else does that except myself and the people who follow me. So go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up for a 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. See everybody later. And for those of you who may not be checking back here later, have a great and wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. Tomorrow I will be dark, which means I'm not sending out any emails, I'm not answering any emails, and I'm not making any videos. So it's only today. See everybody later. I'll do another one. Bye.